Hey, quick reality check. If your phone is slow, storage is full, charging is slow, and battery drops fast, your first thought may be, I need a new phone. But many times, the phone is not the real problem. The real problem is what is sitting inside the phone, running in the background, or allowed without your knowledge. In this video, I will show you 10 common phone mistakes that make a good phone feel old and what to check before spending money on a new one. Small quiz before we start. When storage is full, what do most people delete first? Photos. But what should you check first? WhatsApp videos, downloads, and large files. Mistake number 1. Deleting family photos first. Photos are important memories. Before deleting them, open your phone's storage screen and check which app is actually taking space. On Android, storage settings can show categories and app usage. You can also use built-in cleanup tools to find large files, downloads, and unused apps. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. You will see recommendations and which apps are using the most space. And for many users, WhatsApp is the silent storage killer. Forwarded videos, family group media, festival wishes, and old downloads can occupy several gigabytes. Open WhatsApp settings, go to Storage and Data, then Manage Storage. Review large files before touching important photos. Retention tip. If one chat has hundreds of old videos, clean that chat first. You may free space without losing your camera memories. Mistake number 2. Pressing clear storage when you only wanted clear cache. Cache is temporary data. Clearing cache can free space, but the app may load a little slowly next time. Clear storage is different. It can remove app data, settings, downloads, save login information, or local files inside that app. Example. Clearing cache of a browser is usually safe, but clearing storage of a Notes app, game, or file app can remove important local data. Simple rule. If you do not understand what an app stores, do not press clear storage blindly. Try cleanup inside the app first. Mistake number 3. Blaming the battery before checking battery usage. Both Android and iPhone show which apps used battery. This is your detective screen. If one shopping app, social app, game, or video app is using too much power in the background, the phone may feel bad even if the battery is fine. Weak mobile signal can also drain battery because the phone keeps searching for a better network. Too many notifications also wake the screen again and again. Less notification noise can mean better battery life and better focus. Action step. Check battery usage once a week. If one app is always at the top, limit background activity or uninstall it if you do not need it. Mistake number 4. Blaming slow charging on the phone, but ignoring cable, adapter, port, and heat. A damaged cable may still show charging, but charge very slowly. A weak adapter can do the same. Dust inside the charging port can create loose connection. If the cable wiggles, the phone may keep disconnecting quietly. Heat is another big reason. Phones protect the battery by slowing down or pausing charging when the device becomes too hot. Action step. Try a known good cable and adapter. Remove the case if the phone is hot, and avoid heavy gaming or video calls while charging. Mistake number 5. Giving location, camera, microphone, and contacts permission to every app. A torch app does not need contacts. A calculator app does not need microphone. A wallpaper app does not need your location all the time. Android gives privacy controls where you can see app permissions and, on many phones, a privacy dashboard for camera, microphone, and location access. iPhone also lets you review app permissions and settings. The point is simple. Permission should match the job of the app. Action step. Once a month, review location, camera, microphone, contacts, and photos permission. Change unnecessary access to ask every time or do not allow. Mistake number 6. Installing random cleaner, booster, or battery saver apps from ads. Most phones already have basic tools for storage, battery, memory, and device care. Use built-in tools first. Google Play Protect checks apps for harmful behavior, but that does not mean every flashy cleaner ad is useful or trustworthy. Some fake cleaner apps create fear. Your phone has virus. Click now, clean now, boost now. That fear is the trick. Action step. Avoid cleaner apps from random links. Install apps from official stores, check reviews carefully, and remove apps you do not understand. Mistake number 7. ignoring phone updates and app updates for months. Updates are not only for new features, they can include security fixes, bug fixes, performance improvements, and app compatibility changes. Old apps can crash, drain battery, show errors, or behave badly with newer phone software. But update smartly. Keep enough battery, use Wi-Fi, and avoid starting a major update when you urgently need the phone. Mistake number 8. Force closing every app again and again. Many users swipe away all apps because they think it always makes the phone faster. But on modern phones, this is not always helpful. Apple says force closing an app unnecessarily can make reopening slower because the app has to reload everything again. Rule: close an app if it is frozen, stuck, or behaving badly. Do not swipe every app every 5 minutes like a cleaning ritual. Mistake number 9. Deleting files before backup. This is where people lose years of memories. They try to freeze storage, delete photos and videos, then later realize the backup was off. Before a big cleanup, check Google Photos, iCloud, OneDrive, or your chosen backup. Make sure recent photos are actually backed up. Also check WhatsApp backup if your chats and media matter to you. Backup status is not something to guess. Simple rule: backup first, cleanup second, empty trash third. Many apps keep deleted files in a trash folder for some time. Mistake number 10. Never doing a 5-minute monthly phone health check. Once a month, check storage. Look for WhatsApp media, downloads, screen recordings, duplicate videos, and apps you never use. Then check battery usage. Find the top draining app, reduce notifications, and turn off unnecessary background activity. Then check permissions. Location all the time should be rare, not normal for every app. Then check updates. Update important apps, browser, banking apps, payment apps, and phone security patches when available. Finally, check backup. If tomorrow your phone is lost or damaged, your photos, contacts, and important files should not vanish. Let us quickly recap. Storage full? Check WhatsApp videos and downloads before photos. Cache problem? Clear cache carefully, but do not clear storage unless you understand the risk. Battery drain? Check battery usage before blaming the battery. Slow charging? Test cable, adapter, port, and heat before blaming the phone. Privacy risk? Remove unnecessary camera, microphone, location, contacts, and photo access. Too many booster apps? Remove random cleaners and use built-in tools first. Phone acting strange? Check updates, restart when needed, and remove apps you do not use. Here's the big idea. Your phone is like a small office. If files are everywhere, apps are shouting, batteries being wasted, and permissions are open, the office feels messy. You do not fix that by buying a new office first. You first clean the desk, stop the noise, check the power, and lock unnecessary doors. Your 7-day challenge is simple. Today, check storage. Tomorrow, check battery. Next day, check permissions. Then check backup, updates, charging, and unused apps. You do not need to become technical. You just need to stop guessing and start checking the right screen. Now tell me in comments, what problem happens most on your phone? Storage full, battery drain, slow charging, or phone slow? Follow ITatDoorsteps for simple tech tips that normal users can actually understand and use. And remember, before buying a new phone, check these 10 mistakes. Your phone may not be old. It may just need a smart cleanup.